Our 2019 Trace is our GSM blend that comes right from our property. So GSM means Grenache, Syrah, and Mourvedre. And this is a very classic blend coming from Europe, and we're really lucky to get to recreate it here. Our property, we always say, with its proximity to Dry Creek, is actually very much like the Rhone Valley. So in getting to make this blend, we're sort of replicating that Rhone feeling right here in Dry Creek Valley. This wine is super special just because anytime you make a blend, you get to build these layers of flavor and complexity that you wouldn't have in a standalone varietal. So the Syrah adds all this oomph and backbone and palate texture and weight. The Grenache is all the nose and aromatics. You get orange peel and you get these really beautiful lifted fruit flavors. And then the Mourvedre brings just all of the palate fruits. So really high toned cherry, really intense concentration of fruit. And together they make an incredibly beautiful wine.